Hey, we're here at the airport. Look at everybody's on their stuff. Well, we got here a bit early because our plane doesn't leave until 2:38. And right now it's 11:43. That's okay because it took
Sometimes
a
it
while.
takes a long time.
Yeah, like, well, because Miriam and I had pre-check. It turns out a couple of our kids got pre-check just by default.
But not all of the kids.
But not all of them, which meant that we were going to have to go through the regular security line like plebes. Anyway, so and in the past when that's happened, it was like an hour and a half, 2-hour line. It was nuts. So we decided to come quite a bit early. We left at 10 o'clock. That was going to get us here with more than enough time. Miriam lost her ring.
I dropped my wedding ring, but don't worry, I went back and found it in the parking lot.
But she still hasn't found her aura.
Lost my aura ring.
Yep.
Because I lost both my rings.
Yep. So, but she was able to go back and get it. So we had enough time for that. And we had enough time to go through the crazy... well, so first we had to check our bags.
That was awesome because we had to have 11 bags.
Yeah, 11. Not including the 2 carry-on, actually 3 carry-ons that we're bringing. And that's because the product that we're going to have at the show is in 5 bags. So we got to bring those. That makes my head look really big.
Yeah.
My head is really big, your head is really small. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, we got to check all those bags, and the poor lady, she was like,
how do I do it with this?
How do I do it one at a time? But she got it.
But it was nice and slow here, so
yeah.
we got lucky that
there was no line. There was nobody in the security line either.
Everybody's on the airplanes right now. Nobody's in the airports.
And so we got through the security. It was just fine. Took a while. My bag got flagged because I have a whole bunch of coins in there, because we have to bring change, because apparently everybody in Texas always wants to pay with cash, and we actually almost forgot to bring any change at all. We were just about to get on the freeway when I remembered that we had to go back to Keto Chow and grab money. So we got that.
And our square readers.
Yeah, our little credit card readers. So anyway, here we are. We've got some time to kill. Like a lot of time to kill. Gosh.
It's only 2 hours.
Well, so it's 11:45 now.
12, 1, 2, 3 hours.
Yeah, 3 hours.
We can go shopping.
Most expensive shopping you'll ever do.
Hi guys, we are in Houston. We're hanging out with the kids.
That giant van.
Kids, say hi. You're on video.
Hi, we're on video.
We got a giant van. You should have seen us last night with all the suitcases. We have, how many suitcases do we have, kids? 13 suitcases, 5 of which have Keto Chow supplies in them. So our kids actually packed pretty light. But anyway, we're headed over to the Houston Space Center.
Yep.
So that should be way fun. And then where are we going to go after that? The zoo? Do you remember?
I don't remember.
I can't remember where we decided. Probably lunch.
Oh, I think it was the aquarium.
Oh, maybe the aquarium. So we're going to hang out with our kids for a couple days and see what we can see of Houston. And then we'll get in work mode and head over to the university and get our table set up and all that jazz. So.
Yep. There you are.
Do you lock the car?
Well, that's where somebody would go to the bathroom.
Skylab.
Skylab.
This is Skylab components. So.
Where's the guy?
Audrey and Kate.
Yeah, I got you. Taking a shower.
Okay. If you're there, that much open space.
Yeah.
Really cool. Look, you can see all the way into there.
Did you find the snake? No, you can find it.
Now we're at the aquarium.
Hi. This thing scares me. It's really creepy.
Whoa!
Oh, there's that thing.
I hope you didn't want to be dry. Oh, sheesh. We got Dave, we got Miriam, we got Peter.
Give to this man.
World.
Oh yeah.
Give to his foundation.
So what's the foundation, Dave?
Okay, so citizensciencefoundation.org is the site you want to go to if you want to help out and give. And you won't be actually giving to me, you'll be giving to the foundation.
Ah, good point.
It is a vehicle that's made with the intent to basically help us fund projects, not studies, projects.
Is it a zero emissions vehicle?
We think it's a zero emissions vehicle, but I can't promise that.
Oh, okay.
So yes,
But hopefully reducing emissions by improving health.
That's true.
Peter was just talking about
Good
that.
plug into your talk on that one. Yeah. So basically, if people are healthier, there'll be less of a carbon footprint. Is what you're saying.
Exactly right.
That's right. Okay. So yeah, basically the gist of it is we want to have a way outside of the traditional means that seem to be slowing us down for what I think are the projects that need to get done. And the first major project is we want to measure lean mass hyperresponder metrics.
Nice. All
By
right.
the way, I've just been kind of strung out and exhausted, so I'm not on my normal solid.
Hey, I think that was a pretty good, just like spur of the moment ad lib that we just flung you into.
Yeah, I like to be flung, so.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I've heard people describe you as being flung.
You have an electrolyte mix already ready to go?
You're not still recording.
I'm still recording. Okay, so you were just talking about lowering the environmental impact of everything by healing people's health.
Right. I want people to value their own health.
Yes.
More than conversations about purported environmental impact. And in fact, we know that the pharmaceutical industry is one of the higher intensity emitters. Yeah. Even higher than the automotive industry. And that if the average American type 2 diabetic could eliminate their medication use, they would reduce their carbon footprint 29% more than if they went from a meat-heavy to a vegan diet.
And that's, of course, if we assume that the figures for going vegan instead of meat-heavy are correct.
Correct. And then there's the question of, is there some way that type 2 diabetics could reduce or eliminate medication use?
I wonder.
Is there some, if only there were some way.
If only. We can wring our hands and shout to the sky, hoping for something that would do that.
Or perhaps.
Thanks, Peter.
You can have magnesium. We recommend Epsom salt fast. Keto Chow out here, they actually have a really great magnesium solution. Tastes kind of funky, but I will tell you it's very effective. Magnesium citrate if you're more on the constipated side of things, or magnesium glycinate if you're not on the more constipated side of things.
All right, it's day 3 of Low Carb Houston. So I haven't been doing this the last couple days, so that's further away. Anyway, so we've got a bunch of talks going on. We've just been hanging out here at our booth most of the time, which over here. Right now, there's a talk going on, so not much is going on around here, but we've got a bunch of people hanging out. You got Megan Ramos and Brenda Zorn over there, along with Angel. You've got, there's Dave Feldman, Siobhan, Carrie Brown, and Amber O'Hearn are hanging out at Carrie Brown's table. So it's been really cool. Yeah, we've been really enjoying ourselves here at the conference. So, all right, I'm here at Burger Nation. So a bunch of people recommended that we try this out. They have keto, can you see that? Keto buns. And oh yeah, there's Miriam's.
How's everything tasting, guys?
Fantastic, freaking fantastic. So we're in Houston, Texas, Burger Nation. They have a bunch of different options that are keto. We sat down and the family next to us is doing keto.
It's delicious. Cheese buns.
There you go.
Very delicious. And this place is fantastic. You see the passion in their eating. Sorry for the stuff around my face. What are you gonna do?
There you go. So it's really interesting, super fantastic. We decided to stop at the beach because we're just here with the family, and some of them didn't want to come to the beach.
Weird.
But it's kind of cold, but we figured we would stop here, look at the water and stuff.
It's beautiful.
And it is cool. So anyway, they probably won't be in the water very long at all, so. So we're here at the park. We've got like 5 hours before we're supposed to leave. So we're just having fun. We just went to Burger Nation. It's a place that has only 2 locations, and there we go. They only have 2 locations, Burger Nation, and they serve a whole bunch of really cool keto burgers. They have cauliflower tots. Really nice people. Fantastic service.
Did you tell them about the burgers? The 2 different burgers? They had a flapjack. They called it a flapjack burger, but it was just an egg and cheese bun.
Yeah, it's like a chaffle.
And then there was but it like felt like a pancake kind of. That's why they called it flapjack. And then the other one was just cheese.
Yeah, giant cheese crisp. So really good. I thought the cheese crisp was going to be hard, but no, it was like kind of spongy a little bit. It was absolutely fantastic. So yeah, we're hanging out, just wasting some time until
we have to go to the airport.
Yeah, because like I said, we've got like, well, what time is it now?
We have a while.
It's like 1 o'clock. Our plane boards at like
6.
5:40. So
Show them the water right there. It's super pretty.
oh yeah. Flip around.
The water.
So this is Clear Lake. So the conference we were at was at the University of Houston Clear Lake. And it's a lake. Here it is. And Ruth has red hands. So we're just, wasting time working off our lunch. So we landed, and it's totally snowing. We went from Texas. Oh, we're still going. Come on. But yeah, anyway. Yeehaw! Welcome home! And we're home. Ha! Finally made it. So everybody's here. We're all safe and sound.
Gonna eat some pulled pork at 9 o'clock at night and then go to bed.
Yeah. We put it up to the kids. Do you want to stop and get something, or you just want to go home? And they're like, it's cold.
It's cold.
So
we
just came home.
70 and 80 degrees to 50 and 30.
Yeah, it's really cold. Out there. Well, it was literally snowing. So anyhow, that's the end of our trip to Houston. So long.